What's happening, guys? This is Abhinav from PhoneBunch, and today we are taking a look at a water purifier. Now, it has been quite some time that I've been searching for a good RO water purifier for my home, and I finally zeroed in on the LG WW180EP. Quite a long name, but here's what this offers. So you have RO plus UV plus UF water filtration. It's a 5-step process there, and you have a mineral booster as well. Now, what do these things mean? What do all these do? I'll explain that in a short while. Now, one of the main reasons why I chose the LG water purifier among the others was actually I was moving to a new place, so I wanted something that looked the part as well. So I have all new home appliances. I just wanted something that looked and matched my new kitchen as well. So I wanted something that looked the part, and this really fit the bill. It has a glossy plastic finish, so yeah, it will attract fingerprints. It will get scratched a bit easily as well, but my god, it does look very nice. Now, coming to the actual design, there are quite a lot of useful utilities, useful elements here, which do make this water purifier quite unique. Now, not all things are great here. There are some cons to this as well, which I'll definitely let you know at the end of this review. So the first point which actually made me get this water purifier was that it comes with a stainless steel tank. Now, I have used water purifiers in the past which had plastic tanks. Water does begin to get a bit stale. You see algae deposits as well. Those are green colored deposits in the water tank, and that is really not that healthy. So with a stainless steel tank, what it helps is it is sterilized a lot easier, and you have continuous UV filtration available on this particular model as well, which keeps the water fresh, clean of any bacteria or viruses, even when the water is being kept stored in that 8-liter stainless steel container. Now, apart from that, the WW180EP also comes with a pre-filter. Now, with most water purifiers, that is a separate purchase. It costs about $1,200, $1,500 depending on the TDS levels around you as well as the manufacturer. Now, talking about TDS levels, as far as I have heard, this water purifier works with TDS levels up to 200, so please get that checked. If your tap water has a TDS level of higher than 200, this filter is not going to work that well. You may actually need to get the filters changed more often than that is required. Get your tap water checked. If it's greater than 200 TDS level, then you should look for some other water purifier. So that is one limitation that I found here. Now, one of the major benefits of this particular water purifier is its 5-stage filtration process. So first one is the pre-filter, which you can see right there, and then you have 5 candles within this purifier main body as well. So the first one is the sediment filter. Now, what that does is removes all the impurities in water, sand, any coarse materials, anything that is visible to our naked eye, and some of the particles which are not visible right there as well. So it removes all of that. Then you have the pre-carbon filter, which removes all the odor causing germs, bacteria and all that from the water. And then you have the main RO membrane, which removes all the different salts that are present in the water, the bacteria, the viruses, everything gets removed here. Now, on the next stage, you have the mineral booster, which adds all the essential minerals back into this water, because once water is RO treated, all the nutrients, all the minerals, everything is removed from it. So there should be a way of how you can get that back. So this is where this water purifier differs. It adds those minerals back into the water, pure RO water. So at the end, you get pure RO water which has been treated through all those different processes, and then you get a mineral boost added, which means all the essential and healthy minerals that are required by your body are added back to the water. Now, this not only makes the water more potable, more drinkable, it tastes a lot better as well. So it is a far healthier option even for us. Now, that completes the initial filtration process. One more step is still left. When the water goes to the tank, it is UV treated as well. So any bacteria that may develop because the water is being kept stored there, it is an 8-liter tank. So any bacteria or viruses that gets developed there, those are killed instantly, and this happens automatically every 6 or so hours. The water is treated based on how much you are consuming. Now let's talk about some of the more utilities that are available here. So you have a separate tap available here from which you can actually go ahead and clean your vegetables and fruit, so that you don't have to open the main tap again and again. So that you don't have to open the main tap again and again. You can actually connect that outlet to any other tap as well, so that you have direct access to RO purified water all the time. And then there's a smart display right up top. So it has a level indicator which tells you how much water is available in the tank. It is filled automatically as with all other water purifiers. And you also have that glowing LED right up top. Now that tells us a lot of things. If it goes blue, that means that UV filtration is taking place at that time. So you should wait till it completes and then you can start drinking the water. And at that point of time, it turns white to tell you that fresh water is available and you can start drinking it. If it starts glowing red, that means it's time to get if it starts glowing red, it means it is time to get those filters changed. LG provides 1 year of free service with this filter. Now in that period, you will get 3 changes of the outside pre-filter. That is completely free of cost. And LG schedules these meetings automatically. You don't have to do anything. They come to your place, they are going to remove the pre-filter and also digitally sterilize the entire filter, so any harmful bacteria or viruses which may have crept into the entire system, those get removed as well. I am going to see how this actually turns out, how this actually works in the future, but that is what I have been assured till now. You have that hygiene card on the right as well, which shows the date when the service took place and what all was done. Now after the first year, you would ask how much it is going to cost to keep maintaining this particular service. So you have to sign an AMC or annual maintenance contract with LG for this one. So again, with an AMC, you are going to get the 3 pre-filters changed and all of the candles changed once a year. That costs about 6,700 rupees, which is a bit costly. So that can be actually a pain point. 6,700 rupees every year can be quite a bit much, but again, you really can't put a price on the safety of your family. Now overall, I am quite happy with the product, especially with LG's service till now. I bought the product from Amazon and just the very next day, the service technicians came and installed the product. I didn't have to call them, I didn't have to follow up with them, everything was done by themselves. So that is something I really liked. I hope the service continues at the same level in the future as well. Yes, the LG Puricare water purifiers do cost a bit much compared to the competition, but then again, you're getting assured pure drinking water at the end. That is something you really cannot compromise on. So that's pretty much all, folks. If you have any questions about this particular water purifier or the ones that I've used in the past, do let me know in the comment section. If you would like us to review more home appliances, do let me know that as well. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, hit us in the comment section, and as always, have a great day.